Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another ChatGPT basics lesson number 12. For those who are first time on the channel, I will do this lesson super fast, super straightforward, or maybe keep all the fucking bullshit. So basically, I'm not gonna read the questions. I'm not really going to try to answer them correctly because I'm doing this course like third time or fourth time right now. I already passed certificates. I already have like 100% correct answers, but I don't really can give any facts right now to do this like super slow because there is no point. Like you can just go to the website, you can just click on the basic coursives, basic COURSIV course, which is ChatGPT, lesson number 12, which is this lesson, and you have summary here. To read this is about 1 fucking minute. Then okay, let's say 2 minutes to read this, and this is about the lesson. So what value you can possibly take from that video? Well, in that video, you will listen to the content of that course in a minute. You can focus on that. So you don't need to listen me, you just listen the course. And I will just start that in the minute, but I do a little bit of introduction to the channel and I will just tell you a little bit about the how to create your own business if you want to. Not much, don't be afraid. So it's the lesson number 12. It's going to be the complex problem solving. Okay, so I'm just going to set up this like so I know where is it. Yeah, you can go to my website if you are fancy to open your own business, which I've done it a month ago right now. It's going to be, what's this? It's going to be I don't know, 6 weeks ago. So I lost my job like on December, end of December. My company went bankrupt, and I've decided to start something on my own. Obviously, on the beginning, you're not making any money, but the good part about making or starting your own brand is you don't really need to invest money or like really small amount of money as well. So that's a good thing with opening your brand on through like online through the social media stuff, because nobody knows you, so you don't really need to invest a lot of money because it's not like you're suddenly going to promote something which is not existing, if that makes sense. Like you just need to create yourself and you have to have like an idea. And if you don't really have an idea how to create yourself, there's a website called Wealthy Affiliate, which is the banner here. And you can click that and that will transfer you to this website, and you can create account here for free, and you can create your website for free, and then you will have access to not really many lessons for free, but you can actually see everything for free on my channel, YouTube channel, on the playlist Wealthy Affiliate. And I don't really have nothing more to it. If you want to start your business and you don't know how, that's the way. This is like the best website possible ever, because everything is, the lessons are basically tailored in the on the YouTube videos. The support is 24/7 on the live chat, like basically same way like it's a Twitch. And then yeah, it just think right now what niche you want to open it, go on that website and you will just basically create your business around this. So I really like that quote. The Oscar goes to you for not giving a fuck about what other people think, and that's like life mantra. That's why I need to go with this on the before every video, and we can start the lesson. And like I said, the lesson I will try to do as fast as possible, because at the end of the day, nobody give a fuck to listen to me anyway. And that's, I'm not saying like how to put it. Like I just know I'm just new channel, so like nobody gonna fucking go here and spend time to listen, because you need to be rich and famous. Then people will listen to you, because obviously if you are not rich and famous, you don't know what you're talking about. Righty. Okie dokie. So, what the fuck was that? Complex problem solving? Is it? Yeah, that's the one.
solving. Hey there, it's your prompt engineering expert. Today we're diving into something really exciting, finding different techniques to solve complex problems. Imagine you're a consultant. You've just landed a big client. They need your help, crafting the perfect prompts to tackle a series of intricate challenges. Sounds intimidating? Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the skills to create prompts that can handle even the most complex tasks. Let's get started. So here's the deal. Your client, Teknova, is about to launch a game-changing smart home device. They've got a ton of challenges, from market analysis to customer service issues. Guess what? They want you to use ChatGPT to help solve these problems. Exciting, right? Here's the catch. These aren't simple one-prompt solutions. You need to get creative and combine different prompt engineering techniques. Ready to flex those mental muscles? It's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
So I'm just gonna press. I don't give a fuck. Like I've just done this 4 times. Like you have all the questions already on the website, so you can go there. So
Now,
we not waste time, basically.
Analyze the market for their smart home device. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you.
So we're not wasting time because that's the thing. Like those videos, I've done it in the Polish version because the idea was doing everything in Polish and sort of do like Polish English channel, but then I realized like fuck it, like I genuinely I think I will have the much more people in the future just by doing basically by English because well, it's better. It's better doing English if you can speak English. But what I'm trying to say, yeah, I was doing like super like reading everything and blah 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 blah. Bah, that's nope. It just that's why there's a fucking website so you can go over there. Conduct task. So I don't know what the fuck is that. It's gonna press random stuff. We have the answer right now because I fuck up. So then you can see market analysis and home. So I'm just gonna do like so. And then we have the good answer. And one more time, everything is on the website. So I'm just...
Awesome work. Just created a prompt that guides
Doesn't matter.
ChatGPT complex market analysis. This kind of multi-step prompt is perfect for breaking down big, complicated tasks into manageable chunks. Now it's time to put your knowledge into
manageable chunks.
You can start applying what you learned or skip for now.
Manageable chunks. Okay, I'm just gonna press whatever. And then we have the constantly issue home device. Nope. Issue device ident. Issue device ident. Yeah. Okay, that's the one. Like I said, just
Just created a prompt that'll help ChatGPT tackle Teknova's customer service issue step by step. This kind of structure, which is super helpful for complex problem solving. Now, let's test your understanding with a quiz. It's time to put your knowledge. You can start applying what you learned or skip for now.
Zmęczony w chuj, tired as fuck. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to know. Imagine the lessons. Like I build a teacher and okay, class. So this and that, and but you have everything in the book on the page 5. So just I don't give a fuck. I'm tired. Everybody's scrolling the shit. But good lessons, I guess.
Teknova's got one last challenge for us. Want to compare marketing strategies for their smart home device? It's time to put your.
I think this is actually a good attitude, to be honest with you, like that kind of approach. Because at the end of the day, if somebody wanna, you know, learn, they will, right? So why should I somebody force? Why? There are better stuff to do in our lives, playing games, for example, which I will do in a minute. Okay. Free digital and home. Okay, wasn't really having or getting attention to what I'm clicking, but you will have an idea. And fantastic work.
You've just created a prompt that helped ChatGPT perform a thorough comparison of marketing strategies. This kind of prompt is perfect for making informed decisions. Let's wrap things up with one final quiz to cement your learning. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay, whatever.
You can start applying. Wrapping up. Master the art of creating complex multi-step prompts for ChatGPT. From market analysis to problem solving and comparative studies, you now have the tools to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Key to handling complex tasks is breaking them down into structured steps, encouraging thorough analysis. These techniques aren't just for marketing. Apply them to any problem you encounter. Practicing and experimenting with different prompt structures. See you in the next lesson.
Okie dokie, thank you much guys for watching. Hope somebody will learn from it. Because like I said, everything is on the website. You can stop, you can pause. So you don't really have to waste much time. 10 minutes. There we go. Not fucking 40. So take care, guys. Stay tuned for the content which you actually will found much more informative, I guess. Excuse me, because obviously if you not new into the whatever AI and using that on daily basis, that's obviously it's kind of boring, because right now for me it's boring, but I'm doing this like third or fourth time, so it's boring, but it is what it is. Take care and bye for now.